Good morning. This is Margie here from Nature Health, and I have a couple of things to share with you that are really, really important. Two channels that affect our digestion are the large intestines and the spleen. So we've done a couple of the other meridians already, and now I want to just refresh and share with you how easy it is to do that. With the Patreon platform, I am able to bring to you Qigong classes live, or you can do your practice using the recorded version. There's Tiandi, Shubashu, and Mawang Doi. And please, if you have any questions, put it in the section below. I'd be delighted to answer. And I welcome you to sign up for my newsletter and join the YouTube video channel. When I show you where the large intestines and the spleen start, just take a note. I do not have any nail polish on my toes and neither on my hands. Now, Master Zhao made it really clear to us in a recent training that when we cover our nails with nail polish, lacquer, and all of those, do you know what that does? It blocks the qi channel to your liver. And one of the most important jobs that the liver does is help detox the body. So this is a very serious statement. Are you going to take a decision to not wear nail polish anymore? Who's going to join me? I have decided that's it. I've drawn the line in the sand. No more lacquer or nail polish ever. So if you're feeling sluggish and you're feeling tired, it could be that your liver is under stress because the channel is blocked because of the wearing of nail polish and lacquer. Now, getting to the two channels we're going to work with today. The large intestines, as you can see, when we start with it, it's right on the corner of the nail of your pointer finger. So that point over there you can just activate, and it will be a little bit sensitive. Then you can, like we've done many times before, you can activate it by rubbing it, by just rubbing it up and down, and then the channel runs up the arm, over the shoulder, and finishes here. So there's no reason why, when you see us, when we do the warm-up, when we do the close down, we pat that channel. No reason why you can't pat the channel. Activate that large intestine channel. And the other thing you can do is squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold. Activate that channel. And when you get up to the nose here, just tap it. Squeeze and hold all the way. And if you do that both sides, it only takes a few minutes, and then it increases your digestion. When we come to the spleen starts here on the inside of your big toe. And again, you can activate that channel by rubbing. And this point here, you take your 3 fingers. This point here is spleen 6. We're going to do an exercise in just a moment, which you can watch in a week or two after this. As you push in there, you might see there's a tiny indentation. That actually means that my spleen channel is a little bit sluggish. If the skin pops up immediately, then it means the spleen channel is activated and is working 100%. So we activate that by, again, patting up and down the legs. I call this the flat one, where you use your fist and you activate the channel. And the channel comes all the way up through the middle and finishes here. But it doesn't actually matter if you get the right spot. Feel around until you find the sore spot. That's the one that you want to activate. So, for better digestion and good assimilation of the food you're eating, especially when you're eating organic food, no toxins there, you will find that you'll start feeling better, you'll be more energized, and your health will improve all over. So, if you enjoyed that, pop onto my website, take a detailed look at where that channel runs, and just activate it. This is all about self-healing. Have a wonderful day. If you liked that little educational insight into digestion and assimilation, click the like button.